Okay, so now we're ready to build the wall. We've done our setouts on our top plate and our bottom plate. On our elevation C, you've made two blocked ends, you've made a wall junction, and we're going to need, according to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 common studs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 common studs. The other three, I'll say for another wall. So they're all my common studs. Should all be the same length, which they are. Now, what we need to do with these is pull these apart. Get your fingers in there. Maybe use a ruler a bit. Prise them apart. Okay. Now this nail we can still use again. So I'm just going to tap this back down. I'm going to tap that one down. So we want to make sure that when we put our wall up that these markings are going to be on the outside, because what happens in the building industry, you'll build a wall, you pull it apart, you'll put all that together, and then you'll just lift the wall up and it's in position. So we want to make sure that these go on the outside of the wall. So that's how they'll do it in the industry, out there in the industry. But this is just a model house, so we won't be nailing like this. We're going to have to do it another way. Now, best way to do it is to pre-tap all your nails in. So I've got a stud going here, got a stud going there, got a stud going here, another stud going there. Now for the moment I'm just tapping one nail in, but you're going to have to put two nails in top and bottom, because otherwise it's going to twist and turn the stud. So we need to do need to put two nails in. Another one there. That one's okay there. So first of all, I'm going to put my blocked ends in. Now you can get someone to help you, or what you can do, trying to do this like that can be a bit difficult. So what I try to do for the first one, just for the first one, I'll put that on top of there like that, and I feel that that's flush at the end there and I'm happy with the spot it's supposed to be in. I'll just tap that in, and I might put my second one in now too. Once I've done that one, it just makes it a little bit easier to do the next one. Put my second nail in. So now I can put some of my studs in. Got to make sure I line them up. This is where you need to learn how to tame your nails. Try not to bend them over. If your wrist is too low, you're going to hit the nail that way, so try to keep your wrist level with the top, and it's just in the wrist action. I've got my wall junction here. So which way am I going to put it? I'm going to put it like that, so that when they lift the wall up, I want to make sure my blocks are on the inside. So we want to make sure these blocks are on the inside of the wall, because we're going to need those blocks to nail the next wall into. This wall coming here, so that's going to need something to nail into. Right. Did that go in or did I miss? Probably not. It's going to happen to you as well. My other stud, and all you need to do the same, all you need to do with the bottom is exactly the same. Tap your nails in, flip it over, put your bottom plate in, and make sure you put two, because that's going to twist. So make sure you put 2 in. So that doesn't twist anymore. So, next one, like I said, tap, 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 tap nails in, make sure the crosses are all on the outside, and make sure this block is on the inside or down below there, so that when they lift this up, or in real life what happens is you'll lift this up, and you'll create that wall there, so that this piece then can nail, that wall here can be nailed onto there. So do that, then what you need to do is halfway up the wall you need to put noggings later on. So noggings are bits of timber that go in the middle, and I'll show you how to do that later. So for the moment, just get your elevation C done, get this done, and put your noggings in.